Good morning, this is Begum Rehan. And welcome to my bushwalk. In my walking journey, I was fully covered by natural elements like the sunshine, gentle breeze, bird chirping, insect music, and my crooked footsteps. With these all natural beauties, I was lost in my imagination. All of a sudden, I heard a group of birds chirping in the tree and happily flying here and there, which caught my attention and stopped me there. I lost myself in an imaginative world and was reminded of my childhood memories. I closed my eyes and I felt like I was a little begum dancing in the air, exactly like the birds, with my childhood friends, running around here, there, and wanting to explore with my curious mind. Once I opened my eyes, I and came back to my real life. I walked through the quiet with all the natural beauties. I felt relaxed, calm, and enjoyed moments. And that was the end of my bushwalk journey. But my bushwalk journey gave me many ideas, and as an educator, I want to implement them at my workplace for my kinder friends. I will create an area for dancing with some musical instrument and also an imaginative play area with musical dress up. Thank you so much.